Hello everyone, welcome back to Rani Devara English Late. So we are running on parts of speech. Now I would like to talk about prepositions. It's a huge topic, but I'll tell you in the simple way. If you want more about prepositions, let me know in the comment section. I'll create that video too. So coming to prepositions, preposition is a word that shows the relation between noun, pronoun and other parts in a sentence. So if you want to tell in a simple way, if you want to tell in a single word, preposition gives a complete sense in a sentence. There are three types in prepositions: simple prepositions, compound prepositions, phrasal prepositions. So I want to cover all the simple prepositions in this video, and compound prepositions and phrasal prepositions will cover in the next video. So let's get started today's class. So in simple prepositions, first one, at. So which means point of time and place. So here we can use an example. Neelu wakes up 5 o'clock daily and I'm at home. Next, preposition in. We use preposition in before months, years and fields. So once take a look at the examples. Sangeeta was born in 2002, and next, I'll go to Vizag in August. Next one, on. So before the week and dates we use preposition on. Example, I go to temple on every Saturday. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. So next one, off. OF off, OFF off. So OF off is used to show possession, belonging, and OFF off, from and distance. So take a look at the examples. First one, off, OF off, fond of cake and a friend of mine. These are the examples. And next, OFF off, I'm now off the class, which means I'm out of the class. And next one, she fell off the bus or he fell off the bus. Next one, at, in. So we use at, in together in sometimes. So let me tell you that I received coaching at an institute in Vijayanagaram or Vizag or wherever it may be. So we use first of all that particular area and next that city. So before particular area we use at, and in the before that city we use in. So otherwise he studied at a college in Srikakulam. So like that we use at, in. I received coaching at an institute in Vizag. So before streets we use at, and before villages or towns or cities we use in. Next one, since, for. So since, for, which means from that period or from that time. So I have been studying since morning. So since, which means point of time, and for, which means period of time. So they have been staying for 10 years. I have been reading since morning. So we use before particular time since, and before period of time for. So I hope you got it. So next one, by. Ravana was killed by Rama, and she sits by me. So we can use instead of by, beside too. So and beside and besides, there is a lot difference between beside and besides. Beside, which means by, and besides, which means in addition to. So I can speak Telugu besides English. Next one, with. We use before the instruments. They are playing with football. Otherwise, she comes with me. So this is all about simple prepositions. There are many more prepositions. If you want that video, comment me that you want. So I'll do for you with pleasure. We'll cover compound prepositions and phrasal prepositions in the next video. Until then, keep watching and practicing. Thank you.